Hello, everyone. We are here with another video. I've created Madison. She's my new AI model. She's a professional volleyball player, and she is 22 years old. Let me show you how I made her. The software I used is Glambase app. Glambase helps you to develop an AI character designed to generate substantial income across Instagram, OnlyFans, and other social media platforms. One, build your AI influencer. Start by inputting the basics: name, age, style, and personality. Choose traits that resonate with your target audience. Write a bio that draws followers in and makes your AI stand out. 2. Generate stunning content. Use Glambase's image creation tools to produce high-quality, on-brand content for your model. It's fast and effortless. Your model's look will be polished, unique, and ready for social media. 3. Automate income. Glambase's chat feature lets your AI influencer engage and sell images without any manual work from you. You get to sit back and watch as followers interact and make purchases. 4. Monetize on social platforms. Share her content on Instagram, OnlyFans, and beyond. Drive traffic, gain subscribers, and build a stream of revenue. Watch as Madison and your income grow every day. She's in her favorite place, beach. She likes to do workout, so now she's at the gym and loves those who go to gyms too. Now in her bedroom sleep time. Here's a simple guide to creating your AI influencer on Glambase. Start by clicking Add New Character. Enter key details like their name, ethnicity, and age. Customize the body type, skin tone, and shape to match your vision. Select a style and finalize with their hair type and color. You're just a few steps away from a unique, captivating AI influencer. How to chat with AI influencers on Glambase? Click Discover and pick a model that interests you. Start a conversation, ask anything you'd like. For images, try prompts like, "Can you send a selfie in dress type or outfit?" Adjust the type, pose, outfit, or location to get exactly the style you want. Give it a go and see what creative content they send. Use Glambase to create a unique AI model. Create captivating content and let others engage with your influencer. Monetize by offering personalized interactions and exclusive content. Your AI model can start earning passively today. Start building your virtual influencer empire. Give Glambase a try to create and monetize your AI influencers. See the link in the description. If you want to talk to her, see the chat link in the description. Her second name is Lana. Hopefully, you found this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.